The coelacanth does not belong to the modern world. Its body carries a design older than forests, older than birds, older than flowering plants. When it moves through the water, it does not swim like other fish. It drifts, slowly, deliberately, as if time itself has less meaning in the depths where it lives. For decades, science believed this animal vanished with the dinosaurs, erased by mass extinction and sealed into stone. The truth was far stranger. The story of the coelacanth begins hundreds of millions of years ago, in ancient seas unlike anything that exists today. At that time, vertebrate life was experimenting. Fins were becoming limbs, bodies were testing gravity, oxygen levels fluctuated, continents shifted, and survival depended on flexibility. Among these early lineages were the lobe-finned fishes, animals with thick, fleshy fins supported by internal bones rather than simple rays. From this group would eventually emerge amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and humans. The coelacanth is one of the last remaining representatives of that ancient experiment. Its anatomy reflects this lineage clearly. Unlike modern fish, its fins are not thin membranes, but muscular lobes that extend from the body on jointed bases. Each movement resembles a primitive form of walking, alternating left and right in a pattern closer to tetrapods than to fish. This motion is inefficient for speed but ideal for stability in deep, rocky environments where precision matters more than pursuit. The coelacanth's body is massive and dense, built for neutral buoyancy rather than agility. Its scales are thick, armored, and infused with cosmine-like material, offering protection in environments where escape is unlikely. Coloration is subdued, deep blues and grays mottled with pale markings, blending into shadowed volcanic slopes and submarine caves. One of the most extraordinary features of the coelacanth lies inside its skull. Its brain is remarkably small, occupying only a fraction of the cranial cavity. The remaining space is filled with fatty tissue. This is not a defect. It reflects a lifestyle that demands little rapid processing. The coelacanth does not react quickly. It waits, it senses, it conserves. Metabolism in the coelacanth is slow, almost suspended compared to other fish. Growth takes decades. Maturity is delayed. Energy is preserved wherever possible. In deep water environments where food is scarce and unpredictable, speed is a liability. Endurance is survival. The sensory world of the coelacanth is shaped by darkness. Vision plays a role, but light is limited. Instead, it relies on electroreception, detecting weak electrical fields generated by other animals. This ability allows it to locate prey hidden in rock crevices or sediment. Feeding is deliberate. Prey is engulfed whole, with minimal movement, minimizing energy expenditure. Reproduction in the coelacanth defies many expectations. It is ovoviviparous, meaning eggs develop inside the female's body, and live young are born fully formed. Gestation can last several years, one of the longest known among fish. Offspring numbers are low, but survival rates are high. This strategy reflects an environment where every young must count. For millions of years, this system worked. While other lineages diversified, specialized, and vanished, the coelacanth remained stable. It did not need to change because its environment did not demand it. Evolution is not progress, it is response, and in the deep sea, stillness is rewarded. Then, in the 20th century, the impossible happened. In 1938, a coelacanth was caught off the coast of South Africa. At first, it was misidentified, dismissed as an odd fish. Only later did scientists realize what they were seeing. An animal believed extinct for over 65 million years was alive. Not hiding, not rare in evolutionary terms, simply overlooked. The discovery shook biology. It forced a re-evaluation of extinction, fossil records, and assumptions about deep-sea life. The coelacanth became known as a living fossil, a term both useful and misleading. It suggests stagnation, when in reality the coelacanth is perfectly adapted to its niche. It did not stop evolving. It evolved slowly, precisely, in a stable environment. Today, coelacanth populations are small and vulnerable. They live in specific regions, deep reefs off the coasts of Africa and Indonesia. They are sensitive to disturbance. Bycatch, habitat damage, and curiosity pose threats. Conservation is difficult because study itself can be harmful. The coelacanth does not represent the past frozen in time. It represents continuity, a reminder that evolution is not a ladder, but a branching path where some roots loop quietly through deep water, untouched by surface chaos. In the darkness below, where pressure crushes and light fades, the coelacanth still drifts. Not surviving despite time, but because of it. While civilizations rose and fell above, this fish remained, unchanged in form, patient beyond comprehension. It does not announce its presence. It does not need to. It has already outlived almost everything.